Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the essentials. Check Android version and verify storage space because updates and certificates need room. Once done, pick your connection method. App-based VPNs are easiest, while ICAV2, L2TP, or OpenVPN require files or server details. Make sure you have login credentials, server address, and any OVPN or certificate files on the device. This ensures you can act immediately, otherwise you'll wait mid-setup for a missing file or password. Now you configure the connection. If using an app, install it and accept permissions, then sign in and select a server. If you prefer manual setup, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then VPN, tap Add VPN and enter server address, VPN type, and credentials. For OpenVPN, import the OVPN file and assign certificates. Make sure to enable Kill Switch or Always On VPN when offered, because that prevents leaks. Finally, connect and verify your IP has changed in a browser. Finish by confirming DNS and leak protection. IP6 can bypass some VPNs, so disable it if your provider doesn't handle it. If the VPN won't connect, restart the device, switch servers, or reinstall the app. These quick steps resolve many issues. Once done, collect logs from the VPN app or use Android's VPN entry for error codes if problems persist. If you're still stuck, contact provider support with the log. They can pinpoint auth, routing, or certificate errors fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.